Hello and welcome to Project Lead the Way. My name is Mr. Campbell. I'm sorry I couldn't be here tonight. Unfortunately, I have a prior commitment at home that needs to be taken care of. But I do want to introduce you to what goes on in my classroom, so that's why we've got this video today. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer. If you're looking inside my window, you might notice my room kind of looks a little bit messy. We had some major renovation work being done this summer, and a lot of it didn't really get started until last week. Heck, if you were an 8th grader and you were in my room next year, you might even notice that this corner up here looks a bit different. A lot of this stuff was back there last year. Some of this renovation that's going on, we're going to tech up the room a bit, and we're going to add some features to what's going on with this equipment behind me that's going to increase safety as well as open up doors for new styles of projects that we can do. But let's talk a little bit about the course. At Truman Middle School, Project Lead the Way is an introduction to the world of engineering. Engineering covers a lot of topics ranging from biomedical to agricultural to automotive, mechanical, electrical, computer science. There's so many ways that we can talk about engineering. There's no way to cover them all in one class. But we're going to try to at least give you an introduction. Our big goal is to help you learn how to be an engineer. How do we go from coming up with an idea to creating a product? We're going to learn about some of the skills that go into that as well. This year, our big focus is going to be on the world of robotics and the world of app development. So with robotics, we're going to learn about mechanical engineering. You're going to learn how to build your own robots. And then we'll do some computer science and learn how to program them to complete tasks. With app development, think about it. You can come up with an idea for an app, make the app, and install it on your phone. That's pretty cool. As you can see, we do a lot with computer science this year, but what about next year? Well, if you take Project Lead the Way in both 7th and 8th grade, you're going to learn about even more. We're going to learn about physical computing with microchips and electrical wiring. We're going to learn about the design process, which involves learning about how to create professional-looking engineering sketches, measurement, and 3D modeling. With that 3D modeling, we may even send the stuff to a 3D printer to where you can keep something that you designed from scratch, fabricated with a 3D printer. On top of that, we also look into the world of graphic design, and we could put our laser cutter into use. You know, how often are you going to say you went to middle school and your teacher had you burning stuff with a laser? It's pretty cool. So that's kind of an introduction to what Project Lead the Way looks like here at Truman Middle School. If you have more questions, let me help you out. If you go online and do a search for Myth Badger, what you're going to find is you're going to find I've got a YouTube channel that has videos about what we learn. I have a class website on Weebly where you can learn about some of the things we've done in the past and resources that I have available and just a ton of stuff there. Parents, that's also a good way to be informed about things such as what are your kids going to need in my class. Let's talk about that for a second. I will provide you with a notebook. You bring yourself, bring your ideas, and bring a pencil at most. We'll take care of the rest for you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to bring them next week. I look forward to meeting every single one of you. I think we got a lot of cool stuff planned for this year, and I'm excited to get us started. Sorry again that I couldn't be here tonight, but I look forward to seeing you on Monday.